Want to edit faster and smoother in Fortnite? Simple edit mode is the way to go. Here's how to enable it and use it like a pro. First, open Settings and go to the Game tab. Scroll down to Editing and find Simple Edit. Turn this on, and this will make edits feel more responsive and removes unnecessary delay. Now, when you hold your edit button, it instantly selects your edit piece. Just confirm and boom, clean, fast edits. No need to manually select each tile. This makes editing way easier for new and experienced players. Jump into creative mode and practice editing walls, ramps, and cones. With simple edit, your speed will improve fast. And that's it. Turn it on, practice, and start cranking edits like a pro. Drop a like if this helped, and I'll catch you in the next one.